Hey Planty friends, welcome back to another new video. So today we're gonna go, I was gonna say plant shopping, oh my god. Today I'm gonna go and share with you guys my favorite houseplant of this month. Now after this, I'm gonna go with my boyfriend. He's gonna like take me out and that's where we're gonna go plant shopping, which I'm super duper excited. Now I did tell you I was not gonna post any more plant shopping videos for today and tomorrow because I keep posting a lot. But the following day I might, because the place that we're gonna go, it is amazing. They have the most great, like such a great selection usually, but the experience, I don't like it. I have my own thing and I hate saying that and I just hate being so negative, but I don't like that place at all. But they have some really good stuff, and every time I go I always like hope that they can give off some good vibes or not look at me like nasty, because every time I go they look at me disgusted. I don't know why, but yeah, I mean, I guess I'm nasty. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go and share with y'all my favorite houseplants of this month. Before we start, let me know which is your favorite of this month. I'm really curious. So first we're gonna start with my Green Galaxy or my Monstera Peru. Now this one we ended up getting it at the Costa Farm website and it was for $50, but you can see this in the big box stores from the Trending Topicals collection. Like at Lowe's or Walmart or Home Depot for $20, like $19.98, not including tax. But if you do see them, you have the biggest luck because these are literally just flying off the shelves. I go up plant shopping a lot and y'all know that, and I never ever seen this. So I ended up purchasing it at the big box stores and the website, and I'm so happy that I did. Also, you guys can hear the fan on top. I'm really sorry. It's really hot in here. I have the vents off. I have my grow lights on. These windows are open. It's pretty hot in this room. So yes, but it's such a pretty plant. It is pretty slow growing. But when I placed it outside of the balcony, it was getting like a little bit of direct sunlight, like little here and there. And since that was happening, it was putting out so many new leaves, which was literally insane. Because I was kind of sad, and they have a variegated one which I want so bad. I ended up filming a Etsy plant shopping video, but I don't know if I'm gonna post it. I kind of deleted the footage because I didn't like how it was. I didn't bought any plants and I thought it was just going to be a boring video. But I was really tempted on buying the variegated one. It was like a one leaf node cutting that was a little bit rooted and for $200 something, which honestly, thinking about it now, that is insanely expensive for me. But I love it so much. It is so pretty, and the texture, you guys, is so fun. And I get it now why there is so much hype back then, and it's still then, it's like still now, because the leaves are just so fun and they look so pretty. Like, look at that, those new two leaves look so shiny and pretty. I'm obsessed. Now we do have a series which I think I filmed, but I think I ended up deleting it. I'm not so sure. Propagating the Monstera Peru, and let me tell y'all, it is so slow. Like, I'm literally struggling on propagating this plant. Super duper slow. Maybe if I had like the right conditions, like very high humidity and maybe more bright and direct lights to those cuttings, they would thrive. But as of now, no. Alrighty, next one is a new one that we ended up getting yesterday on my plant shopping video. Is this beautiful Imperial green Philodendron, and I think it's a sports variegated. As y'all can see, it is insanely variegated. Like, look at that. That is just so pretty. It was on a different Walmart. I've never been to this Walmart before, and they had this girlie just standing right there. Now she was getting direct light, which kind of scared me because it looked so pretty and I felt like it was gonna get damaged, like it was gonna burn off. And as of now, I don't see any damage right now, so I'm guessing it's pretty hardened off. And it is putting out a new leaf, as y'all can see. I am super duper excited. I love this plant so much. And this is like a little baby over here, but I don't know if it's going to be variegated. I don't see no variegation on it compared to like the actual plants over here. And I want to make a little baby for my boyfriend so he can have in his collection, because it's just such a really cool plant. I've never seen this plant before. And the next one, it is on my favorite list as well, and I think they're like similar. I'm not so sure. I don't think so, but I will show you in a bit. Now this was how much was it? $16.97, but is like, that's so expensive for me. For this at Walmart no, I'm pretty sure because of the fancy pots it was double the price. I'm pretty sure it would have been like $9, $8, but such an amazing find, and that was literally insane. Like, it's crazy. At first I thought it was like burn, I was getting some people on Instagram telling me, because I posted on my Instagram stories first, some people's opinions like, yo, I think it's like a sport variegated, or like what is going on? And somebody told me they thought it was a disease, and I got me kind of scared. I ended up quarantining it, but after doing a little bit more research and reading out comments, it's a sport. I'm pretty sure it's sport or variegated or variegata. I don't know how people say it, but Imperial green. Oh my god, ew. My stereo thing turned on the computer. Okay, that was weird. I lost my train of thought. Philodendron Imperial green sports variegated. I don't know, but I know it's yeah. So super cool and amazing finds. I was so shocked. The next one, oh, I still was gonna show you this one. Now this was not on the list, but I'm looking at it now, and it's just so cute. And I've never really talked about this one. This one we ended up getting it at the nursery that we're gonna go today, which y'all will see the footage down the line. But if we do end up going, I'm not so sure. But you guys, it is so pretty. It's putting out a new leaf. Now it does grow pretty slow, I can tell you that. It's a little bit of a slow plant. I want to show you y'all see this new leaf over here? And then it's putting out another one. I don't understand how philodendrons do that. It's just like I have another philodendron, which I'll show you in a bit, but it's so pretty. And when it puts out new leaves, it's so bright, limey green, and then it hardens up. So as you can see, it is facing in one direction. It is against the wall over here, but it's so pretty. It's literally massive. Like, I love it. I really, really do. And like I was gonna show you the other philodendron, which is this one. This one was sent to me from Variegated Maranta, remember? And it's also putting out a new leaf, and then it's putting out another one over here. So that's kind of funny how philodendrons do that. Now this one's doing a-okay. It's not on the list of my favorites because it's just, I don't know if I like it. It's a really cool plant, but it don't look that good right now. Hopefully down the line it will. Next is going to be this beautiful Variegated Maranta. Now y'all know I've been talking about this plant so much on my channel recently, and I'm just so obsessed with it. I don't want to take it off from the thing because I know it has water inside and it's gonna drip water all over the carpet. But it is so pretty, and I hope I can make it bloom. But I love it. I love this Maranta so much. It is amazing in low light conditions, and I don't know. I love variegation. I love its variegation, and I know it does amazing no matter where I place it. I'm just so proud of it, and I really, really do love this plant. It was on top of my wish list plant and my top wish list plants, and I'm still shocked that I have it. Like I'm beyond shocked. And it's putting out new straws, new leaves, but I like to call them straws. And here's another one. Where is it? Where are you? I saw you. You guys see the little straw? It's so cute. I don't know. I like this plant so much. It's so And the more light it gets, the more fun variegation it puts out, which is what I want to do. Because I've seen so many pretty pictures on Instagram and on Google, and people post these beautiful variegated Marantas with like half of the leaf being so yellow, and it's just so it could literally be my wallpaper, but I have my boyfriend as my wallpaper, so that would be next if you know. Okay, next one is a new one. Now I already have a Domino variegated peace lily that I got from plantarina.com, which I guess I can show you out in a bit. But I just got this one at Rainbow Gardens. Y'all, like, you cannot tell me that it's not pretty. Like, I just love peace lilies. Now the thing that I was a little bit shocked about this one is it's a little bit different than the one I have. They're both variegated, they're both peace lilies, or spectatalium, I believe. And I'm hoping the thing is focused because like it's showing something else. Okay, cool. It's so pretty. And I got it for $20. And when I went, when was it? The day before yesterday, I went back to Rainbow Gardens. I love that place so much. Not sponsored. They don't even know I exist. They follow me on Instagram, but they unfollowed me. But we went back and they didn't have any more, which, like, it's just such a pretty plant. It deserves so much hype. The next one, wait, not the next one, but this is the other one that I got, and it's blooming again. Look at this flower. And I think I saw the bloom coming through. I think I cut it off. But this is the other one. Okay, first of all, look at this leaf. She's speaking volumes to us right now. And as you can see, it is not as variegated. I mean, this one, like there's like little patches of variegation and the leaves are not so textured. Now let me show you the one that I just got. And this one, oh, the leaf is really pretty. And this one, its variegation is like very, how can I say it, like just splashy. Not splashy, but like, y'all see that, right? And then also the texture is a lot more bumpy, a lot more. The other one isn't really that much. This one, it is. It's like when you cook spinach and it gets all wrinkly. That's literally how it feels. You can even see it, like all the crinkles. And y'all can, you know what I'm talking about? Like, it's so odd in a good way, and I love it so much. Okay, we have 2 more. Now, I do have a lot of other plants that I'm obsessed with, but I don't want to make this video way too long because I need to edit it, and also we just don't want that long of a video. Like, we appreciate long videos, but not all the time. So, I hear y'all. I do read the comments. The next one wants to be this really amazing variegated pepperoni. Now, I think it's variegated pepperoni. I'm pretty sure it's pepperoni. But it's so cute. Now, this is a very common plant. But when I ended up repotting it, I just noticed how like amazing this plant is in low light conditions and how it thrives in neglect. And when I say neglect, I'm sorry, I'm like looking at the window, I'm like waiting for my boyfriend. When I say neglect, I mean like you don't gotta water it for weeks. This one hasn't been watered before I repotted it. It hasn't been watered for weeks, I think even months. And it's just crazy how it thrives. And it was in very low light conditions and it was just doing okay. So it's literally the same as the Sansevieria. The only way to kill this plant is by giving it way too much water. And of course, the more light you give it, the more beautiful variegation that y'all see in the new leaves. It is such a beautiful plant. I love it so much. I really do. It's also really fun to propagate. The way you propagate, you just like cut the top, plop it in soil or in water or sphagnum moss, whichever you prefer to propagate your plants with, and it would develop roots, and then boom, you have a whole new plant. Also, you can propagate it by leaves, which I think I did it over here. But the thing is, it takes super long. It will work. It would make into a whole new plant, but it would take a lot longer, like 3 times longer or 2 times longer than as if you just took a top cutting. And then also the benefit of cutting from the top is 1, you get new plants a lot faster, and 2, it makes your plant a lot more bushier. Which, can y'all imagine? I got like a cat hair. Oh my god. Having like a long hair cat, just like this hairs everywhere. When I do comb her a lot. Like I try to do it at least once a week, if not twice. But what was I gonna say? Like imagine this one getting like massive. Now I don't know how tall this can get, but even then, just this like very bushy would look so pretty with this variegation. I'm just super duper excited for this plant, and I love it. I love how it's so easy and how it's so rewarding without giving it too much, which is sometimes what I need. Sometimes I can't take care of all of my plants and I get very overwhelmed, and then some of them look really bad because I need to be on top of it. But some of them just thrive in it, like in neglect, and it makes me happy. Alright, next one, another very common plant. Now it was very expensive back then, I'm pretty sure you all know, but now you can see this in all of your big box stores. You can literally go to your Lowe's or to your Walmart or to any store, and you're gonna at least find it in one of those stores. It's this Birkins. Now the reason why I got it, and it was not going to be in the list, but when I saw the new leaves coming through, I just love how the new leaves look. I'm a very simple person, y'all. Like if anything with variegation or color or just texture, I mix it on my list, and I love it so much. As y'all can see, it has like this red, I guess like maroon color on the new. This is not from the new leaf. I mean, yeah, this is a new leaf actually. No, I'm lying. This is a new leaf over here. This is like where I forgot what it's called, but it's where the new leaf comes from. It is also putting out a new leaf over here, this little tip over here. It is so pretty, and I've never seen that on my Birkins before. I love it. I really do. Like, it's just such a pretty plant, and it was very overhyped back then. Oh, it's gonna rain. It got dark so fast. It was very overhyped back then and very expensive. And now Costa Farm decided to like mass produce them to make it affordable and just accessible for a lot of us out there, which is amazing. And yeah, it is just such a pretty plant. Like, I don't know why people hate it so much, I guess because like they're so tired of it, but I like it. It's really pretty, and even the back of the leaves are just stunning. Has the most beautiful stripes. A really cool plant. But also I noticed that it puts out a lot of babies. Like there's always like a lot of like little pups coming from the sides of the mother plants. But that's basically it, you guys, of my favorite houseplants of this month. It was a very fast video. It didn't really took me that long to gather the plants that are my favorites. Like I said, I'm a very simple person. I love all of my plants, each and every single one of them. Like my neon pothos is just getting huge and massive. I haven't watered for like 3 days, so I need to get on top of her right now because she's been getting thirsty so fast. But I love how it's putting out some like really fun reverting back. I love how that looks. I really do. It's basically the same thing as a Brazil Philodendron, like the same color, but not the same like pattern. The same shades, like, you know, light green and then dark green. But it's really, really pretty. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me on today's new video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any other plenty content. And let me know which is your favorite plant of this month, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye!